Hi, today I am going to show you Windows 11, how to actually edit any images. Edit images in Windows 11 to the size that you want for Paint software in Windows 11. This is the new Paint software. Okay, new Paint has a co-pilot which you need to sign in to use. Okay, the interface is all different look and feel from the Windows 10 Paint. So I was actually wondering how do I actually edit the size of this image or any other image. It's basically this button over here, resize at scale. Okay, resize at scale. Can reduce by percentage. Okay, like 75%. Okay, right. And then I'm going to this rotate button. Okay, rotate button. And then I'm going to, let's say, I want to change this to still 1440 to 810. I'm going to change to 1280 by 720. This is relative. Maintain aspect ratio. If you don't want to maintain aspect ratio, you can adjust like to 700. And you just apply. Then it will change. If I want to change it to 720, I don't want to maintain the aspect ratio. I want to change it to 1280. Then it will adjust. And then you just save it. Save it as PNG, JPG, BMP, G file. And that's it. Your image will be saved in this dimension. You see the dimension? And they will tell you the size. Okay, can view it at 65% and let me view it 100%. This is the 1280 by 720. Okay, so that's how to change the image size in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.